Okay. Okay. Let's look at the charts. So I had a few flagged charts, and we're gonna go just over those. 1 hour. I was trying to look for a short over here, as you can see, because I placed a fib over there, and this candle wasn't like sufficient enough for me to enter long, I mean short. So I waited and did nothing. And this channel got disrespected. So now I would say, like looking on NASDAQ, after doing this, what can we do? It depends on the pattern that's going to be printed here, but of course it would be like on a day trading basis, it would be better to long. So I would wait for something like that, and I would get rid of the fibs. But this is some choppiness, some consolidation. It shouldn't be doing that. It should be respecting a little bit more trend. So this is NASDAQ. So USTEC. GBPUSD. Okay. It's doing exactly what I expected it to do. Now, if we get some kind of like engulfing candle upwards, then I'm gonna enter long GBP USD. And this is going to be like more like a swing trade, long day trade. It has a good structure actually. If there's one candle, engulfing candle upwards, I'm gonna be really tempted to enter long on this. GBPJPY. I took a loss because I thought this is going to be a head and shoulders. It wasn't, but the price is still doing some like crazy, like funny price action, just slowly climbing. It's undecided yet, so it's still consolidating upwards. It should actually fall down. I still think it should fall down. So this one particular candle wasn't enough to enter that that short, and this candle, so this next candle, if you can see, like this candle I entered, and this candle was pointing even more towards a short, but it didn't work out. Sometimes it's just like that. It has to be. CAT JPY. This is not a perfect, not a ideal setup. Mainly because on a day trade scale, so on a day trade scale, we had this broken like fib. It wasn't a clear fib down, but it was broken over there. And it went below 61.8. So there should be some kind of weakness as well. It's very similar to GBPJPY actually. The price does the same. NZT USD, Euro USD. Okay, let's look at Euro USD. In Euro USD, this is another swing trade, but in my opinion, GBPUSD is better. So let's look at dollar index. Where is it? So dollar index should be falling down if Euro USD supposed to bounce up. Do we have a fib? Yes, we have a fib there as well. So I guess this is somewhat opposite. Yeah, it's oppositely correlated. Of course it is. Swing trade, a long swing trade, if there is going to be some big decisive candle upwards, I might consider to actually long it, which would be like in the short term a counter trend, because we have this kind of channel there. But we have this fib. Okay. Euro JPY. I was thinking about this as a breakout trade, but again, it's not that attractive to me anymore. Euro CAD. Yeah, I think this could be a long as well. But what do we have to see? What do I have to see to actually go long on this? Some signs and RSI. 50-minute. Let's look at the 50-minute. Let's be scalpers. No, I don't see any abnormalities. The only abnormality I see is that this retracement went too far beyond 61.8, making it like invalid. So if this was somewhere here, then probably we would see a shift of the trend and reaching lower areas. Instead, we are, I am at least, hoping this pair to change direction. So this is a reversal trade, so to speak. Let's look at, yeah. So the moving averages are flattening, which could actually support the idea of going long on it, although they haven't shifted yet. But anyway, I'm going to pay attention to that. And other than that, there's nothing else. Other than that, I can just analyze some losers, and I'm going to do that in the next videos. But right now, I just went through some actual current market conditions. So thank you again for watching, and see you.